All right, guys. So September's coming up, and as you might know, student loans are going to resume again. So here's three things that you should do within that time period before it's over. The very first step before we even talk about those three things you should be doing, take your money that you're putting into your student loans and then move it over to a high yield savings account. What you want to do is keep making those monthly contributions like you would normally do, but instead of going to your student loan account, it's going to a high yield savings account. I'll put a link for some that you can try using. This way, your money is gaining more interest in that time period because you don't need to make the payment right now. Hold on to that money, and then once September comes, see what the government does. There's three possibilities with the government. The first one, they forgive your loans. In that scenario, this is the best case. All you just do is take your money that you've been saving, continue saving if that's what you want to do, but that money is yours, your loans are gone. Second thing that could happen, they might just extend the loan forgiveness period. So instead of September, it might be a year from there. What do you do in that scenario? Just continue with that plan. Keep putting your money in the high yield savings account. And once that deadline approaches, if they do resume payments, you can just make a lump sum. That way you're taking advantage of that grace period. If September comes and they do resume payments, this is the worst case scenario. All you do is just go back to where you were before making your monthly payments, but you will have that lump sum of money that you've been saving during that period. That way you can make a payment, and then you took advantage of that grace period and you didn't miss out on it. And then you can continue with your monthly payment like you did before. The benefit in doing it this way is that you are holding onto the hope that loans get forgiven, and if it does get forgiven, nice, you save some money. But if it doesn't get forgiven, you take advantage of that grace period. And also, I know a lot of people might have lost their jobs going through financial hardship. So by having this lump sum saved, it's an emergency buffer just in case something happens during this period of uncertainty. So if you still have that buffer there, it can help you during this period, and there's no penalty there, and there's no financial risk with doing that. Drop a comment if you need help with financial coaching. Let me know if you guys have any questions.